Hey guys, so today I'm going to get a treatment for my eye bags, also a facial, and a what do you call that? Lipocavitation for for my stomach because it's so huge. I got vouchers from Metro Deal, as you can see. This one's for the non-surgical eye bag removal. Voucher value is 1,000 pesos, but I only got it for 99. And this one for the lipocavitation of the abdominal area. Voucher value is 2.5, but I was only able to get it for 99 pesos. So I really like purchasing vouchers at Metro Deal because you get to save a lot. You guys should check it out at metrodeal.com.ph. So let's go. So yun guys, I'm here at Gutesco in Ortigas. Kasi ito yung pinakamalapit na branch no Med-Asia where I will get my treatment for my eye bags tsaka sa facial. Because I'm from Cainta, Rizal, and Gutesco, Ortigas is about 30 minutes from where I live. But they have 7 branches, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, all over the Metro Manila. They have one in Libis, saan pa. Basta check them out at metrodeal.com.ph. Just search for Med-Asia. Kain. Hey guys, so I just got home. It's almost 11 p.m. Nah, it's past 11 p.m. Super heavy in traffic sa Ortigas area. So, tsaka nag-ikot-ikot pa ako sa mall. So yun nga, I just wanna let you know of my verdict for the services that were done to me. all I can say is you get your money's worth. So, since it's 99 pesos, don't expect too much. Kasi, medyo nakulangan ako sa procedures. Pero yung service was very good kasi mababait yung mga staff. Pero sa procedures that were done, medyo kulang. Pero, yun nga, you get your money's worth since it's only 99 pesos. For example, for the lipocavitation, I know dapat kinukuha yung initial measurements ng abdomen at saka yung after the procedure, pero walang ganong ginawa. After the nilagyan ng gel, tapos may ginanong ganon, yun nga, yung machine for the lipocavitation. That's it. Wala na. So, yeah. Yan lang naman yung opinion ko. Pero, overall, it was okay. It was an okay experience. So, if you're interested in trying out their services, just like I said, just search for them at metrodeal.com.ph. It's MedAsia. So, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm really tired. And I'm still gonna do another video tomorrow. So, that's gonna be my DIY gift idea. Just watch out for that. So, thanks again for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye!